जैसे सीएम ने कहा, मैं वही शब्द जानता हूँ और नहीं जानता हूँ. But I would like to learn and understand the Karbi community, the indigenous people of the Karbi and the Dimasa people. सबसे पहले I would like to congratulate all of you all. I would like to say that जो आज आपका हिमतुम यहाँ में बना है, ये it's a sign of the indigenous people of Northeast, the tribals of Northeast, the native people of Northeast, also uniting and coming together and doing something which is productive and positive. मैं जानता हूँ कि you all are fighting for an autonomous state. I support you. And I support Article 244A also. और मैं कुछ ज़्यादा तो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ ना, तो नहीं. देखिए, जो दिल का अंदर का बात होता है ना, what is inside your heart should always come out. Then only we are leaders. So I love my indigenous people of Northeast, and we will work together. And a demand will not be separate; it will be together also. Because before we are any political party, we are indigenous people. And I would also like to say this to my friend Parlok from Shillong, Bak Kublai Shubun for showing your magnanimity. I would also like to say that I have learned a lot from studying in Shillong. Today that I can fight for my Tiprasa people is because of what I saw in Shillong. It gave us the strength and courage to go back to Agartala, to go back to Tripura and fight. So I have always appreciated the Khasi culture, the Jagbindreo, and the way you have united for something positive. I would also like to take this time, I have already spoken to the CM Saab for both the Khasi Council as well as the Karbi Autonomous Areas Council. I would like to offer you land in our TEI. हम लोग ने सब जगह से लोगों को त्रिपुरा में जगह दिया है. 2 acres each. And you all are having a bhavan in Dwarka. You all are having it in Shillong, in Guwahati, and I think Calcutta also. And now I would like it to also happen in Tripura. And in return, I would also hope that, by the way, you don't have to pay 1 rupee for it. It will be completely free and donated. जिस दिन आपको autonomous state मिल जाएगा, उस दिन आप पेमेंट कर देना. But in the end, to all of you all, you have come from very far. And मैं आपको एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ. Stay strong, stay united, feel proud of your culture. आपको कोई कुछ नहीं कह सकता है जब तक आप एक हैं. You all are united, you all are stronger. We all are united, we are all stronger. And the easiest way of us achieving anything constitutionally within the ambit of the Indian Constitution is if we believe that we can achieve something. That's all I would like to say. Once again, I wish all of you the very best. Congratulations. It's indeed something very big, and I hope this is the beginning and not the end. Dalai Dalai Mahamai, thank you. Kublai Shubun.
Thank you, sir.
Pardon.